What have we got today? This evening?
I got fuck all. I just had something flashing in my head there. I forgot it now. Might have been aneurysm.
Yeah, we should record. I should just turn it on when we first come on. For the viewers at home, we're fucking hilarious before we turn the camera on.
Once the camera's on, with camera shy.
Yeah, sitting there looking and scratching our ass. Look, it's Uncle Mick. Uncle Mick. It's Uncle Mick.
What sort of bird is it?
It's a Quaker.
What?
A Quaker.
Quaker?
Mm.
Isn't that some fucking religious thing in America? Quakers?
Yeah, these birds started it. They're fucking
Oh,
nuts, yeah.
yeah, right.
Yeah.
Oh, clever.
Yeah, it's pretty cool. Aren't you, mate?
Are you doing a video or what?
Yeah, it's recording now. You just interrupted it.
Yeah, we're going to have to start again.
Let's start again now.
Sure, but
What, you want us to talk about Donald Trump and what a good bloke he is?
it's fuck with. Him and Latrel Mitchell should fucking jump.
Oh, that's
in
enough
the
to throw Mitchell every time he's on telly. Look at this fuck.
What's wrong with poor old fucking Latrell? What's going on there?
Oh, she just reckons he's a... What's wrong with Latrell, Dad? Why don't you like Latrell?
Big 19, big national fuck with.
Big daddy, big bear, little fuck with.
You get the picture of Eddie I sent?
Oh, yeah, I did, yeah.
Yeah, fucking... I'll take Eddie for a walk along the same path around the pond each day. And fucking... One day out of nowhere, those fucking active streets sign picture of the fucking bloke walking with a backpack just appeared on the footpath. And I thought, what the fuck's this about? But I went to the website and there's no detail. It basically says this is an initiative by the ACT government to get more kids to ride and walk to school. So...
Signs on the fucking...
Yeah, on a footpath where people walk along, they put signs on to encourage people to walk along the footpath. Especially
Tell them to put fucking encouragement signs on Xbox or fucking PlayStation or something. They might have a bit of luck, but...
Yeah.
Or their phones. They wouldn't be reading the footpath. They'd be looking at their fucking phones while they're walking along there anyway.
You think, what's the fucking point? So the kid won't walk to school because he doesn't know where to go. Whereas they put these fucking stencils on the footpath, well, the parents just go fucking, release them to the wild and say, I don't know, just follow the fucking stencil, kid. Follow the stencil, you'll be right. But then again, if you're a fucking pedophile new to the area, you go, oh, fuck.
I'll just follow these signs.
Yeah. Well, what they should be doing to encourage bloody kids to be put riding to school or fucking walking to school is fixing the fucking footpath because, those little scooters with little wheels, a couple of parts along that track there, if they hit that, they're going to go arse over. If they fix that, it might encourage them. Plus, fucking old cunts wandering around in blue heelers off lead, little fucking kids on their fucking push bikes. They've got to put a stop to that shit. I had some bird yell at me the other day. She was actually riding along the road on an overpass. I was walking along and she goes, put your dog on the lead. I said, fuck off, Karen. Fucking,
you should have just said, someone's let you off your lead, you cunt. Shut the fuck up. I fucking didn't know that Henry Ford was a mad fucking Hitler lover.
Was he?
Yeah, didn't you know that?
No.
It was Henry Ford and some other businessman, and they both hated Jews. Like, fuck, if you were Jewish, you weren't allowed to work at the Ford factory. That vetting process was unbelievable. That no Jews were allowed at the factory.
Why did everyone hate the fucking Jews? I never really understood that.
Fuck, what are they? Google it.
I'll Google it.
This will be good. Especially coming from your Hitler-loving computer. This is going to fucking set alarms off everywhere.
Why do people hate Nickelback?
Because they're fucked.
Here we go. Why do people hate Nickelback. Why do people hate Weezer? Who's Weezer?
Had that song American.
Why do people hate Imagine Dragons? Why do people hate furries? Why do people hate me? Why do people hate coriander? Why do people hate Ohio?
Oh, for fuck's sake.
Okay. Let's see how far into Jews we get before it comes up. Jazz. It comes up on the Google search. Why do people hate jazz? Jar Jar Binks. Jordan 1 mids. JavaScript. Jury duty. Jews. There we go. It's 2,000 years old. Anti-Semitism.
Semitism.
That's it. Fuck, I'm having trouble with Jewish words, aren't I?
How many do you hate them?
Manipulative puppet masters behind an economic, political, and social scheme to undermine white people.
Undermine white people?
Yeah.
What fuck are they?
Fuck if I know. Must be the black Jews.
There's no such thing as black Jews, is there? There's grape juice and orange juice, but
there's black Jubes.
Jubes. Marilla Jubes. Marilla Jubes. But Hitler voted. Well, it wasn't that Hitler hated the Jews, he just wanted to create a master race, so they obviously weren't part of it.
He used the Jews as a scapegoat, but I haven't read Mein Kampf, so I don't know what his actual thoughts were. I suppose I could look up why does Hitler hate Jews. And he was asked raped by a Goldstein in jail.
Yeah, right. That'll do it. Yeah, but I didn't know that. I don't know how I might have made that up too, that Henry Ford didn't like Jews. I saw it on something on telly on. I can't remember what the fuck I was watching. It was a flick pass thing. I flicked through and I seen Hitler there. I know how much he loves Hitler, and I thought I better watch this and see if there's anything interesting for Jack to fucking look at. But then I got into Henry Ford and this other bloke, and the movement was huge. And Hitler even mentions Henry Ford in Mein Kampf.
Oh, did he?
Yeah, he's in there. So there you go. You Hitler-loving, Ford-loving cunt.
Ah, so if you drive a Ford, you're a fucking Nazi.
Yep, that's why we've got such a big problem with neo-Nazis.
Are neo-Nazis that much of a problem, are they?
No, it's just because it's on telly. They film 8 people fucking doing something, and then everyone starts fucking carrying on about it. Like it's such a big, huge movement in Australia. It's fucking not. It's all in your fucking left-wing media-loving fucking shit.
It was a big special on 60 Minutes about it.
Oh, it must be
and
true.
And not bloody 8, there's hundreds and hundreds of them, and they're buying properties in up near Newcastle. And
oh, no, the bastards buying properties with money.
Well, so there's not 8.
12.
No.
21. 6. Stop me from you say warm or cold. 100.
Oh.
Did they say how many on 60 Minutes?
No, but they were.
How many Nazis in Australia?
7.
Sorry?
Victoria to ban Nazi salute.
Yep.
How are you going to wave at Dan Andrews now?
I was going to say, what are you in for, mate? I was just sitting at a pub or trying to order 5 beers and fucking Nazis next door, blah, blah, blah. Yeah, got no numbers. Oh, fuck, they're pretty easy to pick out too.
Yeah, it's not like they're fucking hiding it.
They're all in their black tracksuits, fucking wearing balaclavas and sunglasses. Fucking cunts wearing sunglasses.
Yeah, balaclavas, but that's a bit fucking dodgy, isn't it? Although it is cold. It's only winter. Your nose getting cold when you're fucking trying to start a master race. Fuck me.
How can you start a master race when your cock's shriveled right up? You call that a master race?
I'm doing something. They're outside in the fresh air. Fuck. Buying land and shit.
Yeah. Oh, maybe they're not buying land. Maybe they're just walking past auctions by accident. They go, fuck,
me
what another property.
We've got to change our fucking salute. This is fuck. We got that much land.
You got fucking taxis pulling up. You can fucking.
Cars walking past high five with you. I don't want to fucking touch them. Fuck.